Hi, so this is where the personalised products are made. We can make personalised bookcases, book boxes, bunk bed buddy. And basically when you place your order, you pick your own colours. This is why you can see, you know, people are choosing really a variation of colours. So you pick your colours, we just create a proof and we send you the proof. And if you say, yes, I'm happy with the colours, we then go ahead here and we've got a jig here just to make sure the letters are nice and straight and well spaced. So we've got our spaces here. So before it's glued, obviously we check with you that you're completely happy, and then when you're happy, we just make sure it's glued here with this jig. And that's it. So just as a reminder, you can have the bookcase, the book box, or the bunk bed buddy.